Hello, my name is Baldwin Ng. I'm Senior Product Manager from Microsoft Corporation. Today I'm going to give you a demo on how to use the Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit 3.1 to help you find and determine if your existing servers are ready for server virtualization using Hyper-V. So before we can actually conduct a server virtualization assessment of your existing infrastructure, it is important that you would use the MAP Toolkit or the Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit to first determine if your Windows servers are ready for Windows Server 2008. The reason for that is that this tool, through the Windows Server 2008 hardware assessment feature, will help you find all of the servers that you have across your infrastructure so that you can select a subset or a small or a portion of your existing servers to go through the server virtualization exercise. So first, let's talk about how to use the Windows Server 2008 hardware assessment feature of this Microsoft Assessment Planning tool. There are two steps to it. The first will give you the ability to identify and inventory your servers across your infrastructure. And then secondly, we'll go through the auto-generated upgrade recommendations reports through several spreadsheets and Word documents generated by the MAP Toolkit so that you'll be ready for the next step, which is the server virtualization. So what you're seeing here currently is the graphic user interface of the Microsoft Assessment Planning Toolkit 3.1. As you can see in the middle, you are given various different options to conduct a Windows Vista assessment, Office 07 assessment, Windows Server 2008 assessment, as well as server virtualization, etc. So in this case, what we should first do is to create a database so that your server information will be stored appropriately. Once you create the database, the next thing you want to do is to click the identify servers that are capable of running Windows Server 2008. Once you click that, you notice that there are other packages, or what we call reporting packages. They're also available, but in this case we're going to skip everything else, but make sure that the Windows Server 2008 readiness report is going to be generated. After that, what you want to do is to use the map tool's targeting capabilities to identify where the computers are, in this case servers across your infrastructure. First, you have the ability to find computers and servers within the AD domains and forest. And second, we also help you find servers that might be hiding in the Windows NT4 domains, or maybe there are servers that still residing in workgroups. Thirdly, we also give you a method to simply import the computers from a flat file in case that you may have system management tools already and you already have a list of computers you want to target for the server migration. And fourthly, we give you the ability to find computers by IP address range. And fifthly, we also have a way to actually enter the computer names one by one. Now for the speed of the demo, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that by looking up servers across your AD infrastructure. Assuming that you're actually a regular AD user of the account, by entering your basic credentials as an AD member, you'll be able to actually find all the domains and containers, or OUs, organizational units, across your organization. Alright, so it looks like in this case we can zoom into workstation. There are servers within our corporate network. I can also highlight and select another area across my IT infrastructure, in this case Europe, and I'm going to do the same by looking at machines that are server workstations. Once I've finished selecting the servers, what you want to do is to enter the local admin credentials of the servers in question. After that, you're going to click Finish, and the tool will basically start to go target all of the servers across the network that you've chosen. Now in this case, I'm going to go ahead and close it and show you how some of the reports will look like. So once you have conducted the network-wide scan, what you will get is three sets of documents. First, you have the Windows Server 2008 Hardware Assessment Report in Word document format. And this report will have auto-generated table of contents, essentially giving you an idea of where your organization may be regarding the readiness of Windows Server 2008 migration around hardware compatibility and device compatibility. Second, it will show you some charts to show you how ready each and every servers are without any hardware upgrades or with hardware upgrades. Oftentimes we find that some servers could migrate to Windows Server 2008 just simply by increasing the system memory or hard drive space. Also, this report will show you other areas of interest, including device driver compatibility, operating system summary by operating system version, as well as the number of server rows that ties to each and every server computers. In this case, you may notice that there are a lot of file servers, so having 84 file servers might be interesting target for a server consolidation if you believe that these file servers are not being fully utilized on any given moment. Another Excel spreadsheet will show you computer by computer and will provide you with their assessments, including whether they are ready for a Windows Server core installation, or whether you need to do something in order to make that ready, and in some cases maybe freeing up disk drive space, like this one, freeing up disk drive space with more than 15 gigabyte, or in other cases it might be ready to go. So it's totally up to you after the assessment to take the set of actions you need for upgrading these servers to Windows Server 2008. Now, after this is done, what you want to do is to go back to the Map Toolkit UI and then think about what is the set of servers that you're really interested in server virtualization. And this is essentially the second step.